Hey guys, welcome back. So today, as you can see from the title, is a Zappi installation, but not just any Zappi installation. This one is very interesting. Okay, so first off, the customer's having a mini EV which is arriving in Feb, but because it's in Feb, we can install it now prior to the equipment that we have, such as the EV tester, so we know it's going to be okay once he gets his car in February. But apart from that, this house is literally outside of central London and 3 miles away from the congestion zone, which is absolutely insane. And the person that he knows, which lives down the road, as soon as he drives away, he's basically, well, he gets charged £15 a day, which is just mind crazy in a way. So the purpose of him having this mini was simply to avoid that charge, and to also, from what I can remember, he said that he gets charged for a permit or something like that. So he avoids that also. But yeah, honestly, it's just crazy, and there's more onto that later in the video. But for now, again, like usual, just the installation, and as you can see here, just the connectors where we'll be able to see the grid and so on the Zappi and for the app. But with this one, we just tried to make it look as neat as possible. Again, like every other job, I know I keep mentioning that, apologies, but because it's outside on a terraced property, you just want to, make it sure it looks neat enough, because obviously there was no other way around this apart from going around the front. So we tried to get the cable as low as possible and into the grooves of the bricks. We also filled the hole there, and all you need to do is whack a bit of black paint on, you wouldn't even know it's there. We also had a chat to the customer. Ignore me with my hood up, it was freezing, and plus he caught me on a bad hair day, man, honestly. But yeah, please enjoy. When the car's plugged in, you'll see that highlight blue. Which then, if you click on that, you'll be able to see the different modes there. So you've got Fast, Eco and Eco Plus. So obviously Eco and Eco Plus won't benefit yourself due obviously not having solar or Powerwall, so just continuously leave it on fast. But you can schedule Economy 7, so if you press schedule for me, just there's it, and then press the little plus. You then can set the times and the dates as to when you want it to charge on low rate energy.
Okay. I'll do that once you know what tariff I'm on.
That's it. Just like the phone, you can see that you've got a little display here. So you can see that you're drawing a kilowatt now into your little sad home. Obviously nothing from the solar. Again, you've got the modes. So just leave it on fast. You get a total percentage of what's gone into the car and the total kilowatts that's gone into the car on that charge that you've done. Again, just to release that, you simply press that in, release. Locked in. There we go. You can set a code in these, so if you're scared that someone's going to use this charger, you simply press that little, go down to other settings, and then go to lock function. There you'll be able to set either EV plugged, EV unplugged charge. So either the 3 that you can do to whenever you want to set the code for, and then you just simply make your code there, and then just turn it on basically.
Alright.
But that is literally it.
And the grid settings?
So for grid settings,
what fuses in this drop, sir?
so there was a 60 amp.
60.
There is a 60 amp fuse, so obviously the benefit of having a Zappi is you can change the grid limit. So currently it's off. So if I go there and then set it to, just to be on the safe side, 59. Just so it doesn't overdo it. And obviously blow your fuse if you put the cooker and everything on. But that's the great thing about these. It does ramp down as it's going to peak that.
It'll start pulling. It'll drop off.
Exactly. Again, that's It's now plug and play.
Yeah, just got to wait 2 months to plug it in the summer.
Is it the Mini you're having?
Yeah, but it doesn't. Yeah, February. Okay.
Brilliant. Oh, awesome.
What made you buy a Mini, Mark, if you don't mind me asking?
Just like the car, and I went on the forum, you know, like a UK Mini electric car forum, and no one's got a bad thing to say about it, really.
Yeah.
Just like the interior. I find the other ones, like the ID3s, I find them a bit plasticky inside, and I don't need the range, I don't need the size, so it was, you know, good fit. Yeah.
Cool. And how far away were you from the centre of London here? Roughly about?
I don't know, 3-4 miles, I think, something
Yeah.
like that. But you know, the thing for me is it's no road tax. I don't have to pay for my residence parking. It's a lot less, you know, a lot less to run than I was paying on my previous car. So that's a big plus.
Amazing, awesome. Well, thank you.
No worries.
I hope you enjoy your new charging facility, and I'm sure your neighbours will be very jealous of it.
They'll be looking at what's that?
Yes, they've already been asking what it is. Yes, I think is it £12 a day to drive just literally round the
Yeah,
corner from you?
they've expanded the low emission zone. I think it's going as far as Chiswick. So it's not too far now. So that's £12.50 a day. I think just that. So if you're living there, I think a lot more people are going to switch.
Oh, wow, that's yeah. Let's just hope they start putting more charging points everywhere. And
Yeah, that's that.
the money,
I put an application in there's none in this road at the moment. The roads that runs parallel to this, they've got about 4 in their road at the moment.
wow.
So
Yeah.
I'm sure, so we'll see what happens.
Do you know what they charge per kilowatt hour on the lamppost?
No,
charge?
not yet. I
Yeah.
haven't seen what they do.
So it's definitely beneficial to have your home charger if you can
Yeah.
manage to get.
If they do it for free,
Yeah.
I'll be fine.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
No. Awesome, thank you.
no worries.
Much appreciated.
All right, cheers.
So yeah, as you heard from the customer, the reasons why he's having the car, and just giving us basically a breakdown on the congestion and just everything that's involved around the area, which is absolutely crazy. And I thought I'd screen record just the charges and etc. and the penalties, which I found well, yeah, I think it was like £240 or £260 if you missed the let's have a look here. I think if you miss, yeah, there you go, if it's not paid within the 14 days, which I thought was absolutely insane. Guys, I just wanted to say as well, there is a lot of benefits of having an electric car. I mean, you know, filling it up compared to your normal petrol or diesel car, you know, it's a lot cheaper, and you don't get charged for like stuff like this, congestion charges and stuff like that. It is having its perks. I know people and ahhing about the miles that you're getting on them, on these electric cars, but it's only getting better. And you know, to jump on the bandwagon now is the best thing, believe it or not. So yeah, please consider it. So, but more onto that soon, definitely. But for now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, peace.